Okay, so it's about 8:30. Now it's time to take the boots off and slip into these sandals. I love these sandals. These are really cool. Some other shorts, and then take off the shirt because it gets pretty hot here. It's not humid today, but it gets warm even without a lot of sun. So anyway, the tiempo es poquito calor, 8:30 en la mañana, tiempo por shorts, saca la camisa and pone las sandalias. So here we go. The pool's already half empty. See, there's the Maestro Don Juan over there, 87 years old. 87 años, el dueño trabajando in the piscina. Today it's just the two of us. It's kind of a quiet day. People sleeping in after the rain. Gente durmiendo después de lluvia. Un día poquito silencio. There's the water pipe going into the water, as you can see, into the river. As you can see, it's pretty extensive. It's a tubo de agua entre el río, muy extensivo. Yeah. Hopefully I'll get the headset going on this thing soon and practice with my hands free so you can see some of the exciting work. Adentro de la piscina. Okay. GoPro stop video.